So we're back, and in the first part of this video, we created this creative, which is now complete, and this is how the whole video looks like. There's a transition happening, and a message is conveyed. We're showing some food shots, some shots of the venue where the kitty is going to happen. Again, some food shots, and then we've picked up a random video from Canva which shows that how girls are enjoying their kitty. Now the most incredible part, and which will add life to this video, is adding music to it. So when your layout is ready, all your screens are ready, you set the duration, like the duration is set to 3 seconds so that the video does not exceed more than 30 seconds. Now from here you can select some kind of music. For example, if you need some peppy music, so let's write for the uplifting music. So you can try to play various types. So let's use this music. Now this music is added, and you play this. It's a slow rising music. It'll build up excitement. Let your movies always start from slow rising. So now you observe that this music starts and it finishes abruptly. So we'll give it a fade out to the music. Fade out means when the music is ending, it needs to slow down the volume. Fade in means when the music is starting, it starts from a low volume. So now listen to the difference. So now all you have to do is just share, download, and select your resolution, and just download this video. So it's going to start downloading the video, and it's going to save it. It's going to ask you where do you want to save it, so you can save it anywhere on your hard drive, and you're good to go. So that's how it's easy to make a creative on Canva. Thanks for today. I'll keep putting up more videos with different types of industries. For example, this one was for a kitty hall. Maybe next one could be related to a medical service. Another one could be related to something else, maybe a hotel or a destination. So I'll keep adding more videos to it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get updates about the latest videos and tips and tricks. Not about only Canva, we'll also train you about on Facebook how to set up a website quickly within a few minutes, setting up an e-commerce website using WooCommerce, Shopify. So our objective is to keep training you so that you are updated and are able to do certain things quickly on your own without being dependent on other agencies, creative designers, and wait for them. So there's a lot of things, a lot of AI based tools which are now coming in the market in which you can do your own stuff. Thank you and have a nice day.